Chocolate is so much more than a snack to eat while binge watching Netflix all night long. Just one piece has so much history and hidden usages behind it. You would be surprised how powerful it really is and how many interesting chocolate fact exists. So let's start with 10 amazing chocolate facts. First, it is a powerful mental stimulant. Chocolate has the power to widen blood vessels and can even help reduce blood pressure. Not to mention, it is very effective at keeping the main populace awake and focused for hours. Second, white chocolate is not real chocolate. Believe it or not, white chocolate does not contain any chocolate liquor or cocoa solids like dark or milk chocolate. However, it does contain a small amount of cocoa bean respectively. Third, chocolate was used to make alcohol. Around 1400 to 1100 BC, civilization fermented cocoa beans to create alcoholic drinks. Discovered in Honduras, researchers have learned that it was first farmed for this purpose before it was eventually used to create a sweet dessert we eat in today's modern culture. Fourth, solid chocolate was invented in Britain. The very first chocolate bar was created by Fry and Sons, a British shop, in 1847. The shop combined cocoa butter, chocolate liquor, and sugar to form a mostly solid type of treat. Fifth, chocolate can lower body fat levels. The general consensus is if you eat a lot of chocolate, you will gain weight. This may not be as accurate as once thought. A study completed at the University of Granada discovered that this so-called common knowledge may in fact be wrong. In 2013, scientists studied almost 1500 teens and took note of any changes to their waist circumference, body mass index, and body mass percentage. The teenagers who regularly consume chocolate in their diet has lower levels of fat in their abdomens and lower total body fat. Sixth, chocolate money. When cocoa beans were first used in ancient Aztec and Mayan civilization, the beans were grounded and mixed with hot water, much like coffee. Because they were such a major part of trade between the two cultures, the cocoa beans were used as a baseline currency. A basket of cocoa bean was used as a single trade unit at the market. Seventh, it can improve your memory. Scientists have been studying the effects of chocolate on humans for many years, trying to find potential health benefits. A study conducted at the Columbia University Medical Center may have proven that chocolate can improve your memory. 8th, the first chocolate treat was hot chocolate. Cocoa was originally brewed in both the Aztec and Mexican culture. However, today's hot chocolate is entirely different from the historic beverage. Back in the day, it was very bitter and was often only used for special occasions and ceremonies like weddings. 9th, chocolate has a unique melting point. It is the only edible substance with a melting point of 93 degrees Fahrenheit. This is just below human body temperature, which is why it melts so easily in your mouth and in your hands. However, scientists have invented a chocolate that does not melt. In 2012, the Cadbury company announced that it has discovered a way to produce chocolate to be more durable. The chocolate can withstand higher temperatures without melting by using more finely ground sugar. This also reduces the overall fat content of the chocolate bar. 10th, there are many chocolate related holidays. It is more than just Halloween and Valentine's Day. There are a number of holidays devoted only to chocolate.